Hey, welcome. Today we are diving into something that's not just a small step forward, it's a giant leap. We're talking about a technology that is completely rewriting the rules for industrial cleaning and surface prep. This is the future happening right now. So let me ask you, are you ready to completely rethink how you deal with rust, paint, and all that other gunk? Because, the old ways, scraping, blasting, using all those harsh chemicals, they're about to look, well, like they belong in a museum. We are stepping onto a brand new frontier in cleaning. Seriously. This is about an amazing technology that doesn't just tweak the old methods, it makes them obsolete. We're talking about something smarter, way cleaner, and unbelievably precise. And do you know what the best part is? Getting your head around this tech, from the basic science to how it's actually used in the real world, has never, ever been easier. We're talking about taking some pretty complex science and turning it into knowledge you can actually use. Okay, so how does this whole thing actually work? Let's kick things off by looking at what makes laser cleaning so incredibly different. When you see the old way next to the new way, it's really an eye-opener. So check this out. On one side, you've got your traditional methods. They're abrasive, super messy, and often end up damaging the very material you're trying to clean, what we call the substrate. But laser cleaning, it's the total opposite. It's a non-contact process. It uses these tiny, focused pulses of light to literally vaporize contaminants like rust or paint right off the surface, leaving the material underneath perfectly fine. It's like surgery-level precision for cleaning. And who better to walk us through all this than a real expert in the field, right? All this info comes straight from Chihalo, a company that is right at the forefront of this laser cleaning revolution. And look, these guys are not new to the game. Chihalo has been specializing in custom, high-quality laser machines since way back in 2016. That's a whole lot of focused experience and deep technical know-how that they're now deciding to share with all of us. So, why should you download these guides? Well, for starters, you're getting insights directly from the people who live and breathe this stuff. The knowledge in here is super comprehensive, covering everything you need to know. Oh, and did I mention it's all 100% free? But most importantly, this information is actionable. It's designed to help you make smarter decisions for your business. And what they've put together isn't just some little pamphlet. No way. This is a whole curated collection of knowledge, built for professionals, for business owners, for anyone curious about this tech. Let's take a quick peek at what's inside. First up, you've got the Ultimate Handbook for Laser Cleaning. This is the perfect foundation if you're serious about bringing this technology into your world. Then there's Laser Cleaning 101. This one goes even deeper, breaking down how it's used in different industries, from automotive all the way to aerospace. Super practical stuff. And I love this one, from novice to expert. It just perfectly shows what they're all about. These guides are made to take you on a complete journey, no matter where you're starting from. Which, of course, brings us to the most important part. It's time for you to unlock your free handbook and start your own journey to way smarter, more efficient cleaning, like today. The message here is so clear and powerful. Download the ebooks that transform your cleaning processes. See, this isn't just about learning something new. It's about fundamentally changing and improving how you work. So when they say actionable information, what do they really mean? It means these guides are built to help you make smart, informed decisions for your business. It means getting the kind of insights that connect you to real professional technical support, so you get amazing performance that's tailored exactly to what you need. Honestly, downloading these free resources is your first real step to becoming an expert in this game-changing technology. It's about putting yourself and your business right on the cutting edge. Which leaves us with just one last really exciting question to mull over. Once you have this kind of power at your fingertips, what are you going to clean first?